Whether it's watching movies, browsing the web, creative writing, or even casual gaming, a budget tablet gives you the portability and ease of use without having to spend a lot with the options available. How can you tell which one is the right for you? In this video, we're breaking down the top 3 budget tablets on the market this year based on performance, features, and situations they'll be used in. So if you're interested in finding out which tablet will be the best for you, stay tuned. Links to find the best prices on all products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned to the end so you don't miss anything. We'll start with the Amazon Fire HD 10, our choice for the cheapest 10-inch budget tablet. Amazon's Fire HD 10 tablet retails for less than $120, making it one of the cheapest 10-inch tablets you can get. The Fire HD 10 features a decent screen and speakers, paired with a good battery life around 12 hours between charges, giving it the ability to easily make it through a full day of activity on Surface. Appears a lot like its predecessors, but there are a few changes, such as the micro USB charging has been replaced by the superior USB-C charging, and along the top edge you'll find the new 3.5mm headphone jack beside the power and volume buttons and all. This is a tablet that's designed to hold up against the wear and tear of everyday life. It's solid enough that it can likely survive a slip off a table or even being thrown into a sofa when you're done with it. The Fire HD 10 also provides show mode that lets the tablet serve as a smart display, turning the tablet into a hands-free Echo Show with a full screen display that responds to Alexa voice commands. To enable show mode, swipe down from the top of the Fire HD 10's home screen and tap the show mode toggle, or you can say Alexa, switch to the mode. From there, the tablet will respond to voice commands, and you can search the web request, weather, info, and more. You get a 10.1-inch Full HD display with 2.0 GHz, octa-core processor with 2 GB of RAM, and 32 GB of internal storage. And the micro SD slot will allow you to add up to 512 GB of storage. Front and rear facing cameras give you 2 megapixel stills, and a 720p video recording connectivity is provided by the dual band enhanced Wi-Fi for streaming of movies and video or gameplay. And because this is an Amazon product, you can enjoy millions of movies, TV episodes, games, apps, ebooks, and songs to stream, or download thousands of video from Prime Video, Netflix Stars, Disney Plus, and Showtime. The Amazon Fire HD 10 tablet is great for casual use and a good companion for commute to and from work. It's also made for anyone who's already invested in Amazon Prime content. It's a compact, durable, go-anywhere tablet that comes in easy to manage price, that won't break the bank, and easily one of the cheapest 10-inch tablets you're going to find. If you're looking for a tablet with more features, stay tuned. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite 10.4-inch, our choice for the best overall budget tablet. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite is the best budget tablet Samsung has ever released. You'll find a lot of value here for under $300. The S6 Lite offers strengths that include the S Pen stylus, software customization options, and a fairly robust as well as a good looking design that makes it one of the best overall budget tablets on the market. If you're looking for a budget Android powered alternative to the iPad, you definitely won't be inundated with choice, but the Tab S6 Lite fills that role, serving up multitude of uses. Whether it's sketching, reading, or watching Netflix, the Tab S6 Lite looks and feels pretty durable, with small bezels and a solid rear panel. The inclusion of the 3.5mm headphone jack, which isn't a guaranteed feature in the tablets, will be appreciated by many. One of its key features is the S Pen stylus, which is great for doodling, note-taking, and annotating. And when it's not in use, love the convenience of how the S Pen magnetically sticks to the edge of the tablet for safe keeping. The Tab S6 Lite is a perfect choice for tasks around the house, like following along with a recipe in the kitchen or hopping on Zoom video calls that display a 10.4-inch LCD screen, which is large enough to comfortably watch movies on, and it has a 2000 by 1200 pixel screen resolution that comes across as plenty sharp with colors that look vibrant, and most lighting conditions, complementing the green as a pair of AKG tuned speakers with Dolby Atmos support. That sounds pretty impressive for the size at around 1 pound. It's super light so you can easily fit it in any small bag for you to take along with you. Driving the Tab S6 Lite is an Exynos 9611 processor with built-in 64 to 128 GB of internal memory. You can expand anytime up to 1 TB with a micro SD card slot. Connectivity options include Bluetooth and dual band Wi-Fi. In terms of battery life, you'll get around 13 hours of uptime between charges. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite is an excellent choice for budget tablet. Thousands a few goodies like the S Pen, a good audio system, and a headphone jack. It's the most expensive budget tablet on this list, but well worth the extra investment, especially if you want a budget tablet that can be used for some productivity work. Last, we'll be looking at the Lenovo Tab M10 Plus, our choice for great budget tablet for families. That's if you're shopping for a budget tablet for your family. But Lenovo Tab M10 Plus features an all-out extra modern design, and for less than $150, it has some nifty features built in for the kids. The Lenovo Tab M10 Plus has a pretty immersive entertainment system with an audio system enhanced with Dolby Atmos. On the right side of the tablet, you'll find the power button, volume rocker, and a micro SD card slot. You also get a USB-C port, dual speakers, and microphones that distributed along the sides, and for private listening, a 3.5mm headphone jack is also included. Although the 10.3-inch screen is a full HD IPS display with a resolution of 1920 by 1200p, you may find its 330 minutes of brightness a bit dim to use under direct sunlight. However, under normal lighting conditions, the brightness, color reproduction, and viewing angles are quite decent. Under the hood, you get a 2.3 GHz octa-core processor running an Android 9 Pie for quick performance with 2GB of RAM and 32GB of external storage. You can bump up 256GB using the micro SD card. Cameras include an 8MP main camera with autofocus and a 5MP fixed focus front camera. Connectivity options include a dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0, and everything is powered by a 5000 mAh internal battery. That will give you around 7 hours of uptime between charges. If you're a parent, you've undoubtedly had concerns about what your kids may be watching or taking part in online. One notable feature that makes this tablet a great choice for families is Google Kids Space. That's built into the infrastructure of the tablet. You can create separate profiles for your kids, all with their own settings, so they can relax knowing that you can access a library of curated content that includes apps, games, and videos, books that are ideal and age appropriate. You'll find the M10 Plus interface color cute and easy to navigate. Other notable features include TV certified eye protection that reduces harmful blue light, and posture alert that detects the posture of a child, and when necessary, reminds them to sit up straight with an on-screen prompt and vibration. And a bumpy environment alert will suggest that the child stops using the device temporarily when traveling in a vehicle when the ride gets a bit rough. The Lenovo Tab M10 Plus is a good budget tablet choice for watching movies, general browsing, and casual gaming. The addition of KidSpace makes it an excellent choice for parents of young children keeping their little hands and minds busy in a safe environment. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now. So if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all products mentioned in this video. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon for the next video.